What is up guys, Eric here. So today we're gonna be installing some taillights. So those are the old ones and I'm gonna run through the sequence of what they look like currently. So I'll turn them on, put on the brakes, put on the reverse lights and whatever, and then I'll show you what I got. Okay? Okay. Okay, well, this is what we got. I gotta sit down. So we won't be installing these right now, but these are my license plate lights. They'll go right here. These are the old ones. I gotta go in there, take those out, and put these suckers in. That should be fun. I also have some badges to install. This is, oh, they're getting a little fuzzy. This is for the steering wheel, and this is for the front of the car. It's just as much, but yeah, it looks pretty sweet. That won't take us very long. Oh, by the way, guys, this is by GRP, Greg's Race Parts. Always doing awesome work. Great customer service, the whole 9 yards. This is the outer light. Bam! That's what it's gonna look like. Give you a quick teaser. Ooh, holy cow. Yeah, it's gonna look all right. This one's got a little white light in the center for reverse. Pretty neat. It's even got his little GRP on the back. Some nuts, crush washers. Pretty simple stuff. Obviously the other side. This looks like some kind of relay. Flasher for LED. Oh, okay, yeah, so, yep. And we'll figure out where this goes. So we got this plug right here that we gotta disconnect. There's this nut right here and then a nut right up here. Mine are all pieces of crap. The plastic back there is all brittle and it broke. This reverse light was just hanging out. For the other side, it's basically the same thing, just another wire, I'm sure. Yep, right here. Just gotta disconnect that and bada bing bada boom. Oh, what the hell? On the washer. So, I don't know what's up with this, but somebody did an amazing hack job. See that? Yeah, I don't know what's up with this. I have a wire coming out to the taillight. That's a ground, I think. No? I mean, I doubt this is from the factory. This is something else. This is somebody else's job. I'm the third owner, so that's what I get, right? But I don't know. I have no idea what it's for. It's so weird. Spliced into it. Anyways, I finally was like, well, it's gotta come out anyway, so I took it out. And if the car catches on fire, well, we know we had a problem. Okay guys, so what I ended up doing as far as the random wire, it's right here. I just zip tied it, I closed it off and put it away. But there it is, everything's all hooked up in the back. It's pretty simple. So I'll show you guys something that I didn't know that I found out. Okay, so they made it pretty simple. So you see this wire right here? All you gotta do is slide that into here. That slide right in here. Yeah, right there. And that's it. I mean, it is super simple. Here they are. That's what they look like now. That's what they used to look like before. So I'm gonna knock them out real quick and then I'll take you through the last showing of them. Look at that. Alright guys, so this is what I was talking about. What you gotta do is grab this wire right here and slide it in there. You guys can see that? What is just bam, down the skis, and that's it. Well, we still got one more thing to do. Yeah, we gotta fix the hyperflash and we should be set. Now, I gotta give old Greg a call real quick. Hopefully he answers and we'll go from there. Okay guys, this is gonna be fun. So, come down here. You're looking up like I'm literally upside down. Hello. Well, not a very flattering picture. So you come down, and you're looking up. I already called Greg, but can you guys see the blue one right there for me? That's the relay I have to replace. And it appears to be the top one. Okay, so there's the shifter. And if you're just looking up and then you see the first relay, one closest to the airbag up top, that's the one you gotta replace. And that's what I gotta do now. I need my light. How's that? You guys even tell? Probably not, but you guys can hang out because I need the light almost there. I can feel it. Oh, the case came out. What just happened? So the whole thing broke, but came out. That's the important part. I'm guessing it'll only fit one way. Okay, since I could read it, I'm gonna assume the words go towards me. Let's just hope that works out. Hold on. Oh no, because I got wires. If I put that in the top, that doesn't do anything. I bet it goes like this. Now if I burn something, well, that would suck. Okay, it's on. This top one's the one that I put on. Now let's hope it works. So I think that's it for today. For some reason, my hazards don't work. I might look for it, I might troubleshoot it, I don't know. But yeah, am I gonna do the license plate lights right now? I don't know, I'll just do an outro, and if I end up doing it, then I'll just do an outro again, right? But if you're new, welcome. If not, thanks for sticking around.
Hey guys, this is my new Tesla. Like, comment, subscribe.
Anything you'd like to do, and I'll catch you guys on the next episode. Peace.